Just sitting here drying clothes tonight, because that's what you do. You wash them in a river, and then you dry them. If you're wondering where you guys can get your t-shirts, planningchaos.com. You can dry them this way if you want to.
Change of plans today. No sleeping in. It's 7 a.m. Dory's fed. We're out for our walk. We need to kind of get moving a little bit quicker. So we all decided that we needed to make sure that we got up plenty early. I'm on breakfast and coffee. So it's always important for me to get up first. So we're going to prioritize that after Dory's walk here. But last night was fantastic. We found a really great campsite. This is like the cluster of 4. We went across a narrow bridge before this. We got another bridge after this. And then today is also Car Wash Falls. So we'll be stopping to do that. And whatever else we can actually fit in. We also need to do a supply run today. We were able to just kind of pull together meals, like a big meal last night with a couple cans of soup and some rice and like a hodgepodge of things mixed up in the Dutch oven. It was good. We're all fed well, washed up, did some laundry. So we're gonna hit the day hard today. It's beautiful out. It's very overcast today though, looking like it. It's foggy, but it's starting to get lighter. You ready, Dory?
Good morning. We are packed up. It's actually the earliest we've hit the road. So fingers crossed we make up some ground. But we are actually going to go backtrack a little bit because we did pass one of the waterfalls. We want to get some footage of that. And we're going to come back through here where we camped because that's where the trail takes you. It is a chilly morning. We are out of water. We are out of food. So there will be some stops today for sure for all that. Hopefully that doesn't put us behind, but made it to a set of falls. Check it out. Oh wow. It's pretty cool. I want to go down here versus the path. There's a path right there, but this. Oh wow. Pretty dope. What do you guys like to see? Ha! Nope. That was Hall Creek Falls. Dory.
I'm up all night just digging this grave, trying to get myself up out this cage. I've been far too gone for man been saved. Daddy told me that I done lost my way. Don't sleep at night, you know I toss and turn. This life I've been living just to learn. There's no dollar sign that you didn't earn. One leads to another, brother, you'll get burned. They'll dig it out where you left his son that smooth talking love's got a loaded gun. She'll fire from the hip, but you'll never see that name on the bullet marked R.I.P. Turn up and run, you're back to the wind. Tied a couple dollars cash in the will to spend. These final days won't give you rest. Have a comfort, got a moment, get it off your chest. Watch out for that time on Sundance. Hope you're right on your own now, but son, did you think you'd have a chance? There's no dollar sign on the peace of mind that you hold in your hands. Watch out for that same old song and dance. I'm counting lines, drifting through those pines. Don't leave no trace with the line so fine. You better pick up pace, you're gonna run this race before the sun goes down and you lost your way. Stand up straight and lay the hammer down. Put the pedal to the metal, gotta leave this town. No turning back if you know what's good. Better get out of town cause you know you should. Watch out for that time of Sundance.
Caught the heavy breathing. Penis. What am I trying to think?
Far during this trail system, it's a lot of forest roads, so two-wheel drive, enjoy the scenery. There's a lot to look at. Look out for Bigfoot. He's in here. I'm telling you that now. Just take your time, enjoy it. There are a lot of touring bikes on this section. Not a big deal. Slow down, take the time around turns. It'll be good. We've ran into a large group of other overlanders, and they had an issue on the trail, but they, like you should, pull over as far as you can to let people by.